Yoo-hoo! How's everybody doing? It is pretty late at night and I've got my drink. It's UV and Sprite. Pretty good stuff. If you don't know, I'm a Vikings fan. Well, actually, I'm a Vikings fan. Welcome to my new room. It's actually a new setup. I moved my boys downstairs since they're getting older and needed some privacy, and so now I have upstairs all to myself. And this is the new background, and it's still in the works of getting organized, so bear with me, and bear with me with my I'm really trying to stop doing that. It's just a thing that I do. Like, people told me, like, I said a lot, and I'm gonna remember that. But today, if you hear any background noise, I'm trying to get my boys to sleep. It's late and they are still not sleeping yet. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of something, and it's been a while since it's COVID, and it's been a while since I purchased anything for myself, and I did recently, and I wanted to share this with you. Saw it online. I've been wanting this thing forever. It's been 2 years. I was on the wait list, and I hope to God it's not made in the USA, because I hate buying Louis Vuitton that is made in the USA. I don't know why, but just somehow, like, if it's from France or Italy, it sounds a little bit more sophisticated. Maybe it's just me, but here it is. It's been sitting in my dresser like what? Oh, a little over a week, and it's a good treat for myself. And just thought that we can look at it together, and then you get to find out what that is. Let's do it this way. And of course you have the receipt of all the goodies. This was shipped from New Jersey, apparently. Exchange. What is this? Oh, you know, with COVID, everything, you're trying not to, like, touch anything. Yep, and that's my receipt. So that's that. And let's put this back together. I like my stuff organized, you know. So set that aside. And this is the fun part, guys. The cool thing is it's not in a very big box. It's actually in a pretty cute box. Cute. So I'm just curious of how it's gonna look like. So let's unveil it together. Ta-da! Well, you can't see it much yet. Are you ready? And cute little Pochette Metis. Oh my gosh, I've been wishing and waiting forever. Like I said, I've been on waitlist for 2 years, and finally, for some reason, there's a whole bunch of them right now. There's some watermark here, but this looks so cool. So can you see it? And then it's a zipper on the back. Zipper on the back. I haven't had a chance to feel anything yet, but I'm just checking it out. I thought, for some reason in my head, I think it's bigger. I don't know why. Oh, like, when I look at, like, ooh. And then you have the strap. You know what I like about this strap is that it's not going to get dirty. Because, you know, like the other straps that I have, oh my gosh, this gets dirty so easily. So that's the strap. And that's the inside. And there's that sticker of what it's made of. It's Pochette Metis. You know, the regular stuff that you get with Louis Vuitton. So I'm interested. They have like 3 pockets. Put this in the back here. Hopefully I don't really need it, but oh, actually I should put that with my receipt book, just because if I do decide to sell it, I have the sticker and the receipt. The good thing about Louis Vuitton is they do keep their value, so that's always positive. The inside is more like a suede feel. And it says here, can you see that? Louis Vuitton made in France. So that's cool. And I just want to look to see where the date code is. I don't see the date code. Does not say. Does not say where it's made, but it says made in France. So I'm actually pretty happy about that it's made in France, because I seriously hate, like, it smells so good. It smells so good. And then you just kind of click it. And there's a little handle. I'm going to try not to touch this because I don't want it to get, like, old on me. And the zip. Look at the zip. She shows you Louis Vuitton. And a nice little zippy zip. Really cool. And then just put this together. I like that it's actually going to be, let's see, I like to kind of do, like, when I look at the, see how many holes there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to do, like, in the middle, so that way it's neither here nor there. And I like that it's, like, it's metal around it, so it doesn't, like, get all, like, the leather doesn't get hurt. And I'm just gonna set it here for now, just because I want to see how it looks. And it's that first strap, and then second right here, like this. And then I'm gonna clip it. So this is the side. So that's how the side look like. It's got Louis Vuitton in there too. For some reason in my head, I just think this thing is bigger. I don't know why, but it's okay. I'm liking it. It's kind of classic. Oh, no. Same thing on the other side. It's got the same thing. And that's that Louis Vuitton. And then, look at that. It's kind of short, but it's pretty nice. What do you think, guys? I think it goes with my dress, actually. So far I really like it. I hope you like my reveal. I really honestly thought it's bigger, but you know, I think it's good that it's not too big anyway, because then it's not too heavy. It's easy. It's supposed to be like an everyday bag, and that's what I like about it. And I want this part, did I do it right? I think I did. I just want this part to stay clean. I think that's really important to me. I just don't want it to be dirty, and then then it starts looking old, and you don't want to pay a lot of money for something to look like old, you know. So I'm like super excited to use it. I'm hoping that in my next video, here, let's take a picture. There you go. It's Pochette Metis. Been waiting for 2 years. Obviously this is year 2020, so this is the 2020 version. I don't know if there's any different version, but as you can see, I do have several Louis Vuitton purses, and I probably could show you my collection soon. But in my next video, I kind of want to show you maybe how I fill this purse up. And that way you get an idea of what could go in here. And then before that, I was thinking maybe I can do a video of what I'm carrying right now. Right now for summer, ooh, I keep thinking like pushing this down, but it's actually pushing it together like that. See, I'm learning to use my purse. But I wanted to show you and hope you enjoy like looking at it the same time as me, because it's honestly, I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I told myself I'm not gonna buy another one of another Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna save for Chanel, but this came up and I'm like, I have been waiting for 2 years. I've been waiting for them to come back, and they did, and so I guess it's meant to be. And I've been like toiling around the idea of maybe buying a used one, but I kind of like my own, just my own little like thing that belongs to me. But I hope you guys like this video on my purse, and I'm hoping that I can show you more about how I fill this up, and then show you about what I'm carrying right now. For summer, I'm actually carrying a purse that is just very versatile. My kids are in hockey and basketball, and although this summer with COVID, we don't really go anywhere too much. We are home most of the time, but I haven't really been too fancy about my purse, just because I mean you're home most of the time anyway. But fall is coming, Christmas is coming, my birthday's coming, and so it's kind of like an all-in-one thing. I'm just putting in here for now until I show you my other purse, and then I'm going to show you what could fit in here, and all the junks that is in my other purse. You got to see it. But anyway, ladies, I hope you like this Pochette Metis really fantastic bag. I thought it is bigger than it really looks. It's actually much smaller than what I think it is, but sometimes in your head you just have a different idea. But it looks like a good one, looks like a nice one that would go with everything. That's one thing I like about Louis Vuitton monogram. It's that it goes with about anything. You can use it for summer, you can use it for winter, and I'm looking at myself and my face is looking very greasy right now. But anyway, I hope you like my video today. Please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and you know, Her Empowered Life just have several different kinds of videos, and right now I'm just kind of like experimenting with what works and what people like, and then just depending on your feedback, I'll know what to do, more of a fashion video or maybe more of a empowerment video. So it all depends on your feedback and what you're looking for. So I'm hoping to hear back from you guys, and subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, you take care. Talk to you soon.